It's another epic unboxing! Hey everyone, it's Michael
And Joe
from Bullion Now. Bullion Now, bringing you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide, direct from Melbourne in Australia.
You got it. You did
I kind of got it.
Fantastic. Why have we reversed? You want to know why?
Yeah, I have no idea. You just said, hey, why don't we reverse it?
I'm jealous.
You're jealous?
Why?
Why?
I'm jealous? Because you did an entire video, well, started off an entire video sitting on a throne of boxes, a throne of silver, and so I thought I just needed to do it myself.
Oh, okay. Is that what it is?
Sitting on the throne right here, but we're going to do an epic unboxing, but I can't have you do it. You just do it. There we go.
Right.
Oh, that feels so much better. What are we doing? An epic unboxing.
We are.
Yeah.
So, where do we want to start?
Wherever you like.
Why don't we start with the one that everyone's been squealing about? Why don't we,
Whatever do you mean?
don't know. Probably shouldn't have said it that way. So, we'll look at some...
Watch your fingers.
Kilo bars! So we have Perth Mint Kilo bars back in stock yet again.
Ooh, there's some shiny ones.
Yeah.
Nice.
I always get these rub marks on them coming across the nullarbor.
Yes, let's explain that. I've explained it a million times to people in the store, but let's explain.
Yeah, so the way Perth Mint, unlike, let's compare it to say a PAMP, where they've got a box of bars, they lay them down flat with PAMPs, and then they put a layer of fairly thick plastic actually between each layer of bullion bars. Yeah. Perth Mint don't do that. They do them just direct in a box like this.
Yeah, and they
sits over. That's the only protection in there.
And the metal's rubbing together.
And then as they move around, they just rattle across their way across the nullarbor. So you get those little rub marks on them sometimes. So
it is what it is.
It doesn't devalue it. At the end of the day, it's a kilo of silver.
Yep.
But it's that's what they present like. So we've got
a few
of those in stock.
And now, will some of those from watching this video be actually on the website?
Yeah, they will. They will go pretty quick though.
Okay.
So we're not getting tons in. Obviously, I mean you can see there we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 boxes. That's all. So about 11 boxes, so about 100 kilos at a time are trickling through the door.
Yep.
So we won't get a lot on the website, but you'll see them on the web. They'll disappear fairly quick, but we will get them regularly. Every few days we seem to be getting about 100 odd in.
Cool.
So that's all very good.
Fantastic.
We'll leave those for a second if you like.
Do you want to do those ones?
We can. I'll open this side.
I'll do these ones. All right, cool.
So we've also got another one that went out really quickly.
Actually, I'll wait to reveal it when we do the close up, unless people already saw what was there. Now, just out of interest, what are we up to? 11,800 subscribers. It's pretty consistent that we're getting around about, it feels like about 100 subscribers a week now. Sometimes even more, which is good.
I don't have a glove on, so I'm going to have to be really careful about
That's okay. Hit the big red subscribe button there to join the family, join the winning team.
Alrighty, so we have another delivery of rectangular, I was going to say rectangular oxes then, rectangular dragons.
Rectangular dragons.
So, again, I'm not
we'll just show the top.
Thank you, Ruben.
I just pulled one from, there we go, right there. Thanks, Rubes.
Just in case you haven't seen them before.
Yeah.
Treat them so where do you want it, mate?
Wherever you like, man.
Just about dropped it.
Yep.
So the rectangular dragon.
2021 silver dragon.
Yeah, there's about another 1,000 of these here.
Yep.
And they will sell out fairly quickly.
Yeah.
But we do have another 2,000 arriving within a week or so.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you miss out, don't stress too much.
Okay.
I can't take pre-orders on the 2,000 until we actually get confirmation of the delivery schedule.
Okay.
But once we do that, we'll get them back on the website fairly quickly again.
Okay, perfect.
As far as I'm aware, at this stage, that will be the last batch that we will get.
Yep.
Then we've got some, looks like koalas.
Yep. You just gave it away before opening it.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Oops.
Well, look, for anyone who has not seen a koala, a 2021 koala, let's quickly show them. Whoa, watch those fingers, mate. Put the blade down. There, thank you. Ugh, mate.
You're stress free.
Am I designated OH&S person. Yeah. Designated OH&S representative here for Bullion Now.
All right, and there's the koala.
Yeah, beautiful, cool. Yeah, it's a koala, 2021. Some people like the design, some people don't. It's been a little bit controversial.
It has.
But, you know, it's an ounce of silver, and it's from the Perth Mint.
I can't work out if he's sleepy or grumpy. Or possibly a bit of both.
Well, you know, could be both. Let's go with, I like sleepy grumpy. Yeah. That's kind of like hangry.
Yeah, that's right.
Was it hungry, angry?
And we've also got some kilo coins. We haven't had kilo coins for a little while. So there should be about 160 of these guys in.
Right.
Where are we here?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. So that is the Kilo Ox.
Kilo Ox. Lovely. Let me get that reflection out of there. Kilo Ox. Lovely. Brand spanking new. Careful with the capsules on top of the other capsules. You're levitating that, aren't you? Yep. Lovely. I do like how it's the sort of proofy mirror finish on her Madge on the back there. Just brings it out. It's nice. On the frosted background. It's quite nice.
Looks really good.
Cool.
So, as you can see, more silver arriving pretty much on a daily basis.
Yep.
And not in small quantities, not as big as we'd probably like, but not in small quantities.
Yep.
There's a few 100 kilos there.
Fantastic. Excellent.
Good.
Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Join the winning team, as I said before, for all our awesome content, including our epic unboxings.
And our lazy Saturday specials. I thought that was a great one.
The lazy Saturday. It was good. How quickly did that go?
Oh, it didn't last very long.
It didn't last, yeah. No, but you know, a good number of people got their hands on them, which was good. And we'll run stuff more like that in the future as well.
Yeah, we do it every so often.
All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Another epic unboxing. Yeah, I think your singing was almost as good as mine, mate.
To sing, could you?
Had to do a comparison. Now people can choose who was better,
let's not do that.
and you know they're going to say it was the boss because you can curry favors.
Yeah,
so
we all know it wasn't.
Yeah.
So that's okay.
All right, and as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.